Hi everyone, and welcome to this video about the best motherboards for the Intel Core i5-13600KF. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the most popular motherboards on the market and seeing which are the best options for this processor. If you're looking for a great motherboard to pair with the Intel Core i5-13600KF, the ASUS ROG STRIX Z790-A Gaming WiFi D4 is a great option. It offers a robust 16+ one-phase power delivery system, dual 8-pin EPS connectors, and large heatsinks to keep your CPU cool even when overclocked. It also supports DDR4 memory up to 5333 MHz, making it a great choice for budget-minded builders. Overall, the ASUS ROG STRIX Z790-A Gaming WiFi D4 is a great all-around motherboard for the Intel Core i5-13600KF. It offers excellent performance, overclocking potential, and features at a reasonable price. The Gigabyte Z790 AORUS Elite AX is a great motherboard for the Intel Core i5-13600KF. It offers excellent value and is packed with features, including a strong power delivery system that can handle even the most demanding processors, support for PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, a wide range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 GB Ethernet, AORUS's signature RGB lighting and software. The Z790 AORUS Elite AX is also relatively affordable, making it a great option for budget-conscious gamers. Overall, the Gigabyte Z790 AORUS Elite AX is a great motherboard for the Intel Core i5-13600KF. It offers excellent value, performance, and features.
The MSI MPG Z790 Edge Wi-Fi DDR4 is a great all-around motherboard for the Intel Core i5-13600KF. It has a robust VRM power delivery system with 16+1+1 power phases, which is more than enough for even the most demanding overclocks. The board also supports DDR4 memory up to 5333 MHz, so you can get the most out of your CPU. In addition to its excellent performance features, the MSI MPG Z790 Edge Wi-Fi DDR4 also has a great aesthetic. The board has a silver shroud that covers most of the components, which gives it a very unique and premium look. Finally, the MSI MPG Z790 Edge Wi-Fi DDR4 has a wide range of connectivity options, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2.5 GigaLAN, and Wi-Fi 6E. This makes it a great choice for gamers and content creators who need a motherboard with all the latest features. Overall, the MSI MPG Z790 Edge Wi-Fi DDR4 is a great value for money motherboard that is perfect for the Intel Core i5-13600KF. It has excellent performance features, a great aesthetic, and a wide range of connectivity options. The ASRock Z790 Pro RS D4 is a budget-friendly Z790 motherboard that is a great choice for the Intel Core i5-13600KF CPU. It features a 14+1+1 power phase design, which is more than enough to handle the power requirements of the CPU. The motherboard also has a hefty VRM heatsink to ensure that the CPU stays cool under load. The Z790 Pro RS D4 supports DDR4 memory up to 5333 MHz, which is more than enough for most DDR4 memory kits. The motherboard also has a variety of other features, such as two PCIe 4.0x16 slots, for M.2 slots, and a variety of USB ports. Overall, The ASRock Z790 Pro RS-D4 is a great choice for users who are looking for a budget-friendly Z790 motherboard that is capable of handling the power requirements of the Intel Core i5-13600KF CPU.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.